My name is Karen, and I am from Millstadt, Illinois. I found LeafFilter as a new homeowner. I was getting emails, and I reached out. I am more mature, and I did not feel like getting up in my gutters and cleaning them out, because even though I do not have any trees in my yard, I wasn't sure what I would be facing, so I had them put on. The sales process, my salesman was very nice and very considerate and professional. And I was not home when they were installed, but everything looked fine when I got there. And I am very glad that I did it because, as I said, there are no trees in my yard, but I am having someone have to come out and clean out my street gutters and front yard and backyard of all the leaves that have accumulated. I think, especially because of my age and being new in the neighborhood, it was a good investment for me.